Hey everybody, it's Walt, Deerfoot Racing here. It is Sunday. It is 94 degrees out. I'm a little hot. 94 degrees out, but what we did today is we mounted the air conditioner on top of, let's see if I can do this here. We mounted the air conditioner on top of the van, of the Class B, the budget Class B build. We put the air conditioner up there. So let me kind of show you. I didn't record the actual mounting or lifting it up there with the forklift because I forgot and it's hot. But anyways, I'll show you what I use and I'll show you what it looks like up there. I'm gonna check the torque specs on the bolts and give you an idea of what's involved with it. Okay, here we go. So you can see it up there, the Houghton low profile unit. It's up on top of the roof. I used this my nice little green Clark forklift to lift it up there. It worked out pretty easy. Lifted it up with that. I had a couple 2x4s up there to kind of slide it onto, position it above the hole in the roof of the van, and then I kind of positioned it, and then I slid it off over the hole, and there it is from the inside. Put these bolts in. These have these mounting brackets, real simple. I'm going to check the torque, make sure I didn't over tighten them. But the idea is, yesterday I mounted the plastic mounting ring, or was that yesterday or Friday? I forget now. But I mounted the plastic mounting ring, put lots of goop on it, got that set in place. So basically you set the unit on top of that, align the holes, and tighten up the bolts. Pretty simple. Then this pulls down to meet the interior ring and that, which has the controls and stuff like that. So let me check the torque specs here, and then we'll let me climb up on top, show you what it looks like up on top. So we'll walk out here. I got some fans going because it's really hot out today. Let's see here if I can do this without falling down. Boom, there it is. There is the Houghton low profile, supposed to be lower noise AC unit, 9,500 BTUs. I figured that was going to be plenty for the size of this Sprinter van. I was more concerned about the interior noise because these AC units are known to be noisy, and I don't want to have to yell as we're having a conversation inside the van. So, and this unit here has pretty good reviews, so I went with it. It's 115 volt. Actually, it's an Australian company. Of course, the unit's assembled in China, but remote control, all that kind of good stuff. So what's going to happen next? I'm going to check the torque specs on those bolts, and then I'm going to put the solar panels up here, and then I'll give you some pics of what that looks like, and then I've got to do some wiring and attach them permanently, and then the roof will be completely finished finally. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm back. Here is the result of today's chores. Air conditioner installed, solar panels in place. I gotta finish the wiring and put a couple screws in them, but I can do that a little bit later. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like up top. Fan in the front, solar panels in the middle, Houghton air conditioner in the middle, max fan in the back, and the skylight in the shower. So anyways, yeah, that's what we were working on today. That's progress getting that AC unit up here, because pretty much the roof is sealed now. So I gotta do a couple spots on the on that sealant stuff that I gotta go back over a little bit, but that's because I was a newbie. But we'll take care of that in a minute here, and the roof is done.